so that the Manage Timetable interface appears. Let's create a weekly timetable from 27 May to 31st May. To create the timetable, select the course and the batch. Then simply click on Add Timetable option. Add Timetable interface will appear. We'll select the date, course, professor, and the classroom. Then set the expected start time and the expected end time. To add other day's lecture, click on the plus option. Select the next day date, course, professor, and classroom. Then similarly, schedule the lecture for other days by clicking the plus option. Now your lectures are ready to be scheduled from date 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. After that, click on the tick option and your lectures will be added successfully. To see the scheduled lectures, click on the select date option and choose the date. Then click on the search option and your weekly lecture details will be shown below. Suppose you want to copy all these lectures scheduled on 27th May till 31st May, then simply click on the copy timetable option. Here select the copy from course and then the batch, and also copy to course and the batch. Then select the copy from date and then fill the repeat option and select the weekdays. Then select the copy till date to 31st May and click on the tick option. It will show that the data was successfully copied. To see the timetable, select the date and click on the search option. Your whole week timetable will be successfully copied. Suppose the user wants to delete the lecture scheduled on 29th May. Then simply click on the cross button at the bottom. Here you can click on the delete lecture option to simply delete the lecture, or click on the cancel lecture option to add a cancellation reason. So let's add a cancellation reason that professor is not available. Then click on the cancel lecture option. The lecture will be cancelled successfully. To see the cancelled lecture, click here and select the cancelled option and then click on the search option. Your cancelled lecture will be shown here with the reason. Suppose a lecture is being deleted on a scheduled day and the user wants to extend the previous lecture timing. Then to edit the lecture, click on the lecture. You can also edit the course, professor, and classroom. Now select the expected end time and extend it, and then click on the tick option. Your lecture will be extended and edited as well. Suppose 12th class batch A has a chemistry lecture scheduled on 1st June. The user wants to create the same lecture for the batch B. Then he needs to combine the lectures. To combine the lecture, select the batch B, click on the Add Timetable option. Here select the same date, the same course, the same professor and the classroom. The expected start time and the expected end time should also be same. Then click on the tick option. It will show that the professor is not available. Then click on the combine option. Your lecture is been combined. To see the combined lectures, simply go to the classroom wise tab. Here select the scheduled date. Then select the classroom and then click on the search option. Here you can see the combined lectures of 12th class A and 12th class B.